Believe me when I tell you, you have been underutilizing that WhatsApp you have on your phone. Now, in today's video, I'll be sharing 12 tips and tricks that would help improve how you use your WhatsApp, whether informally or for business purposes. Now, if that is something you'd like to see, then definitely keep on watching. Say, for example, you want to make something bold. So, for instance, you have a message and you'd like to send this message. To make it bold, all you need to do is add a star in front of the letter, the beginning and the end of the word or letter or sentence you'd like to make bold, and that's it. If I delete one, it doesn't work. So you have to put 2 stars or, yeah, 2 stars beginning and end, or an asterisk, right? So you put it there and that's it, and you send, and that's how to make it bold. Remember, in making it bold, you can still make just a word bold. It doesn't have to be the entire thing. So say today is a good day, or oh yeah, so I want to say remember to subscribe to this really cool channel. So I put a star at the beginning of the subscribe, and then you have it there. So this is a good day, we must remember to subscribe. So that's how you do that, okay? So if you want to cancel a word, maybe you wanted to say, you just want to cancel a word, or this particular product used to be 5 naira, now it is 10 naira, or whatever it is you want to do. It used to be $10, now it is $5. And so you want to cancel. So say I want to cancel that, just look again for this snake-like sign. You see the sign here? That looks like a wiggly thing. So I've touched it. Just do it at the beginning and at the end. So I'm going to touch it again. It has cancelled it. You see? Big announcement is cancelled. The big is still there, but the announcement is cancelled. So I take it out and the same thing. So say I want to do this and still make it bold. So you can play with this thing really. So you want it to be cancelled and you want it to be really bold, emphasizing the cancellation. So you put 1 star there, just as I've done that, and put another star at the beginning, so it would make it bold and it is still cancelled. You see what I mean? So yeah, let's see the next one. So next, you want to make it italics. You want to italicize a word. So what you do is, again, so say for instance I want to italicize CEO Wabio. So at the beginning, whatever it is you want to do, just take it there. So instead of the wiggly thing we used before, this time use the underscore. You see underscore there? Oops, no, not that. You see underscore 1, underscore at the end. You do that, it has italicized the word. You see what I mean? So that's it. And if you want to make that italicized word bold, same thing, just play with this. So when you send it, forget the spacing around it. When you send it, it will stay together. So see, it has come together. See what I mean? So that's it. You're within a group, for example, and you don't want to miss anything, or with your family, whoever really, you don't want to miss a thing. Something you can do is you pin that chat, pin the account, not just the chat. So what you do is, for instance, if I wanted to pin this friend of mine, okay, this contact, if I wanted to pin this contact, all I need to do is you highlight it, which I've just done, and above you'll see that thing there like a pin. So I'm just gonna touch it. You see, I've pinned it. So whatever happens, she will always be the first person on my contact. So anything that comes in at any point, I'll always see it. Okay, and so I'm gonna try to pin my dad as well. So just highlight it as I've done, and then you pin. Oh, so you can watch that. Watch. It would say to you, so I tried pinning my dad and it says you can only pin up to 3 chats, and that's because I already pinned this group chat. I don't want to miss anything there. So you see there's even a message there, so I'll see it immediately. So this group chat, my sister and my other line, so you can pin only 3 at a time. So say for instance I take out this one, I've unpinned it, I've unpinned it, so chat unpinned, and now I say for example I want to pin BOL VGC Exco. So that's another group I belong in. Come on, stop touching the wrong thing. Okay, that's because I'm working with one hand actually. So I'm gonna pin that one now. I just touched the pin and it has been pinned. Okay, so you have that there pinned, 1, 2, 3, and I never miss a thing on any of them. So that's how you pin a chat. It will help you stay abreast of everything happening. So if you belong to a group and you want to be the first to see anything happening there, or you do not want to miss a thing, pinning a chat is something that could help. Okay, something else, you know how you're within a group and then you realize so many people leave messages, and so it ends up blocking, filling up your memory really. So if you do not want everything posted on a group to come in, you can just go to the group and look for media visibility. So click on media visibility. You see default means everything is going in there by default. So you have yes, you have no. Well, what you want to select is no, meaning if I select no and do okay, going forward anything we post within this group will not be saved in my gallery, and that's a way of conserving my storage, and it's important to me. Okay, now you're still within this group and you don't want those messages. You know how it is that every second you're hearing beeps, beeps, beeps. So you don't want those beeps. Something you can do is you mute it. You're still within the group, but you do not want to receive all those notifications. You do not want to hear them when they come in. They can be very distracting. So all you need to do is click on that button that says mute notifications. So it will ask you 8 hours, 1 week. Sometimes it used to say 1 year, but now it's been changed to always. So if I want it always mute, please, you just okay it. So mute notification, it's set on always, as you can see there. Okay, but if you want to change it, you just undo and you can hear when those things come in. Well, for my sisters, yes, I want to know what's going on, but sometimes I don't want to know. Okay, so that's what you do for some groups. So let's pause there and let me remind you to subscribe if you haven't done that. And then like this video. Like, hey, you're getting some value, right? Well, I would like to believe so. So go ahead and like this video if you haven't. Leave a comment. And if there are more tips and tricks that you are aware of, you can share them in the comments section. And if you truly like this video, then I can bring you a part 2 for many more things you never knew you could do with your WhatsApp. That said, let's keep going. So say you're within a group and you want to confirm who hasn't seen your, or who has seen your message, or someone wants to claim, no, I didn't see your message. Don't let them fool you. But you see, when you see, for others, for personal messages, when you see the double check there, blue in color, it means it's been received and read. On a group, when you say blue, it means every single person in that group has read it. Otherwise, it won't check as blue, even if it's a double stroke. All right, so you want to confirm that this person, or the number of people who have seen your message, all you need to do is click on the message you sent as so, and go ahead and click on I. You see the I there? So that's like information. On iPhone, it will show as info. So you have it there as I. So you see all these people have read this message. They can't deny it. This particular message has been seen by them all. And yeah, that's what you do. Again, you click on it and then you click on I. Okay, that's it. So with a voice note, you already know all you need to do is click on that button. If you click on it, you can just start recording. Let me show you. You just start recording, right? And when you're done, it sends to the person. You can just start recording. Let me show you. You just start recording, right? Right? But did you also know that you can actually just swipe up? Instead of holding it down and run the risk of sometimes making it delete on its own, you can just swipe up once. So now you've swiped up and it is recording. Simple, just that simple. When you're done, you go ahead and send. If you want to cancel it, you cancel it as so, but I'm going to send. So now you've swiped up and it is recording. Oh God, why don't I like the way I sound? That's simple. When you're done, you go ahead and send. Okay, so that's what you do. Now, if you were to do the same thing and you wanted to cancel, you just click on cancel. Once you click on cancel, it will go into the trash. Dustin, that's it. Okay. So it's important, for some people, you might want to share information on your status or stories if you like. So what you need to do is you go to status, click on it, and then you have two options there. Either you want to go straight to your gallery or you want to take a photo directly. You can click there. Yeah, so you click there and select what you want really. So select anything. So let's say I want to put this guy. So this is what I want to update, and I say, have a good Sunday, have a good Sunday, have a good weekend, for example. I want to do that. I can just do it, or the beautiful thing is you can even put do some edits. Well, let's not go into all of that. The main thing is, so you want to put some information that it could be your business, really. So you have something you're selling, put it there and send it. The moment you do that, a whole lot of people will see it. You see the rest of the people here. I'm going fast so you don't see. So you have all those guys who have updated their status. So this is mine, and then whoever clicks on this will see what I just updated. So the previous things you have on your status will also be there. Have a good weekend. So this is what it is. Another option is to, let me see, still on status, you can just go ahead and type. So say I want to type something. No, that's not what I want to do. So you want to type something, you can just paste. So if this is what I want to do, how are you, and I'm saying happy weekend to everyone. Oh, you're selling a product, you really put it there. This should take only about 700 characters, really. So whatever it is you want to do, you update it there and send. Okay, so I'm going to delete it because I do not plan on send. Oh my goodness, it's actually true. So if you want to delete, which is what I want to do right now, because I do not need that. So I'm trying to be careful so I don't drop my phone. So I'll delete. I don't need that. And I'll delete this guy as well. Oops, no. I'll delete this one. I don't need it. So, but that's what you do with a status, for your status, really. Okay, so delete. So say there's someone you chat with a lot, or a chat you want to get to immediately. You can create a shortcut for it on your desktop. So what you do is you come to the person's page, open it up, click on more. Oops, not wallpaper. You click on more there, and you're looking for shortcut, really. Come on. So add shortcut, that's all you need to do. Oops. So all you need to do is add shortcut, and it takes this person to your home screen. I'm just going to go to my home screen now to see if indeed it has been added to my shortcut. So you see that, so it's been added. So if I click, it takes me straight to this page, and that's how you create it. So it's also possible you do not want people knowing whether or not you've read their messages. So in that case, you can just come to these three dots and select settings. From settings, go to accounts. Accounts, privacy is where you go to, and then you have this button here, read receipt. So all you need to do, read receipt, all you need to do at this point is turn it off. So if you turn it off, it also means you will not know when others have read your own message. Okay, so if you turn it on, it means the double check, the two blue marks will show that indeed it's been delivered and also that you have read it. If you turn it off, they won't know you've read it. So if that's what you want to achieve, no worries, but just know you can also know when they've read yours. Okay, yeah. So this one is for those who would prefer to have their WhatsApp on desktop mode. So you want to be typing from your laptop instead of on your phone, right? You can just log in and out. Type in web.whatsapp.com as so. So you have web.whatsapp.com. I just want to type that. I don't want it to take me to anywhere funny. So let's just type web.whatsapp.com. That's what you need. And then you enter. While it's loading, let's just go to WhatsApp. So this is my regular WhatsApp. So you're going to find the QR code coming up there. Good. So QR, by the way, is quick response. That's the meaning of the QR. So I'm here on my WhatsApp that I want to transfer to my desktop. Just click on the three dots here, go to settings, and basically you're looking for your QR code. You see this even looks like the QR code. Click on it, and you'll be asked, do you want to scan? Well, this is your code, so if you take it against it, but fine, I want to scan. So I'm just going to place it against this, continue. If it asks for that, yes, I want to link this device. You do that, and there's going to be a happy connection. So the connection is ongoing, and everything you have here, you will find it there very soon. Exactly. So you see, I've basically transferred this communication here. So if you want to start chatting, go to whoever you want to chat with. So I want to type with that lady. You can type anything and enter. You can now go to Jane Doe, for example. Say hello, Jane Doe. Okay, hello, Jane Doe, and you enter. Okay, so that's really how you chat on desktop mode. If you want to go off, and maintain communication only on your phone, tap on those 3 dots as you would have on your phone as well and log out. If you do that, it takes you back to where you were. Okay, so that's really what it is. And if you haven't subscribed, now is a good time. Okay, so if you need to confirm that the communication between yourself and your friend is indeed secure as has been claimed, what you do is go to the friend's page, locate encryption, which is what I'm doing now. Encryption, you get to encryption, just scan code, take it to good, you see? So everybody's happy and you're sure it's secure. That's it.